I've been happily married to my wife for 3 years, and I just found out that I have a daughter from a prior relationship. My daughter looks just like me. Should I obtain a court order for paternity and child support, or should I just send the mother money as she needs it? Oh, that's a tough situation, Cheryl.
Correct. And this person is sort of referencing the look-alike DNA test, which I don't subscribe to. I always urge my clients to have an actual DNA test.
Right.
Many times clients don't want to do that because they say the child looks just like me and I don't want to offend the other parent. But it's very important to be sure. I've represented many clients who feel that, many men actually, who felt that their child was not theirs as the child aged and started looking like neither the father or the mother, and they started to question the parentage. So it's better to have the paternity test early on. In addition to that, it's really good to put orders in place because it gives everyone knowledge of what their rights and their responsibilities are. So a paternity test, but then you want to know who's going to have the right to make educational decisions, how much child support should I pay, and visitation. You definitely want a visitation schedule in place. It gives the child stability and it gives both parents stability, and then the child can form a bond with the parent.
You need to know where you stand.
That's
Bottom
right.
line, you need to know, is that child truly yours?
Yes.
And you want to do the right thing, obviously, but the first step in that is going to be getting that paternity test.
Yes.
So I guess for the average guy out there who's in this situation, you don't want to do that on your own. You want to consult legal counsel, someone who knows what they're doing, is going to give you the best advice. That's why we have Cheryl Alcindor on,
That's correct.
because she is an expert at this. She will give you the best advice, and she'll look after you, but make sure that if it is your child, that you're covered and you're going to be able to look after that child the way that you want to.
And then for the mom, for the mother in that situation, she of course is going to want to make sure that there is child support, whether
Absolutely.
she's giving it, or she may be the payor. Maybe she's not actually the best parent. We're assuming that mom is going to have custody, but sometimes, it doesn't happen that way. It could be the father that has custody and mom is paying child support. So we need to make sure we have orders in place, that everything is ironed out and it's binding so that there's no confusion later on.